Hello guys, I hope you're all doing well. I didn't vlog anything over like the couple of days of Easter because I was just busy enjoying myself with the fam. But today, exciting day. So those of you who are fellow cleaning fanatics, not that I'm a cleaning fanatic, but I get excited about some cleaning things. I am doing a cleaning vlog, but it's like a special cleaning vlog because it's all about KOH Cleaning products, because I just got in the mail a bunch of their cleaning goodies, and yeah, I'm gonna put it to the test today and see how it all goes. I'm just gonna sit the camera down. I've got it on the tripod, but I'm holding it up. Let me get my life together, oh my god. But as I was saying, KOH. So, a little bit about KOH. They are an Australian-based company, brand, and their mission is to make household cleaning easier, healthier, and more cost-effective for Australians. So their stuff is meant to be really good for those who suffer with allergies or want to use like a more natural-based cleaning-based products, because these aren't like crazy chemicals. So they were kind enough to actually send me these goodies. I actually ordered them myself, and then they were kind enough to reach out and say, don't worry about it, like we'll send it to you, no dramas. And they were kind enough to also give me a code as well, which is so nice. So if you guys are interested in checking them out, I'll leave their links and everything in the description box, and also a discount code for you guys. But I'm going to give you my honest opinions on them today. I'm super excited for the mop especially. So a little bit about like what their main product is their universal cleaner. So it's an ionic formula of pure water and potassium mineral salts. So when sprayed, KOH Universal Cleaner actively lifts and suspends dirt, grease and grime, and can also neutralize organic stains and odors. I'm going to try like doing the floors, the microwave, the kitchen, and also clean my oven today. My oven's disgusting, like it's so dirty. I've never cleaned it the whole time we lived in this house, and we've been here 4.5 years. So I'm just trying to find some way to put all these Easter eggs. I'm just living like my most healthy life possible. Oh, you guys can probably hear the oven in the background too, because I got my lunch in the oven. But for breakfast, I had a coffee and a little bit of a crunchy bunny. But because my wisdom tooth hurt so much, I just wasn't really in the mood for eating chocolate. What is my life? And then I've got party pies in the oven for lunch because I am an adult. Living my best adult life. Oh gosh, she needs a good clean. Adulting at its finest. Party pies for lunch. Okay, let's start by zhuzhing this room up, Miss Lillian. Then, oh, this is what I'm the most excited about, the Trigger Mop. So we've got the mop here, which I've got to put together. I'm so excited to try this out because I've got hard floors throughout my entire house, and it is such a pain having to fill up the mop and bucket and like mop all the floors. Let's put together the mop because this is what I want to use first. I'm so excited. Just going to keep it tipped up because I don't want it to spill everywhere. Okay, so mental note, just don't mistake this for a drink bottle, obviously. You right, Lily? And then we just pop it in the mop like that. Okay, cool. Then I just need to open the mop pad. So you've got different pads for different surfaces. I don't really know which one is going to be better for mine, so I'm just going to try them all out. Okay. Oh wow. Okay, and it just sticks on, like there's nothing you have to clip on. Okay, cool. Let's go into the lounge room. Oh shit, I just nearly tripped over my own camera tripod. Oh, it's gotten so dark. Okay, and I think we just use this trigger here. Oh, how good. Oh yeah. Oh, cool. Lily, how cool is this? And it's not bad for you. Oh my god, this is genius. Stop. Lily, that's so good. How dirty is the bottom of the mop so far? Oh yeah, it's pretty dirty. Cool, okay. Let's try the next lounge room. So this has absolutely like no smell either, which is amazing. For me personally, I have really sensitive skin and cleaning chemicals can really trigger rashes for me personally. Like without fail, every time I scrub the shower, I break out in a rash on my face because like the fumes of a lot of chemicals just really, they are so harmful. And this has like no smell. It's not making my skin feel funny. Nothing. I can just see the dirt lifting up off the floor too. Because I've got inside dogs, so they obviously trek dirt all through here. And actually, I've got dirt all over my leather lounge. I wonder if I can use it on leather. I couldn't see anything that said that you can't. So I might actually try clean the end of this couch with it. Okay, so with the microfiber cloths, it says that the green is perfect for most surfaces, the white is great for glass and high gloss finishes, so they'll be good for glass and stone, and the blue is perfect for bathroom. So I think I'm just going to use the green on lounge. It's a 4-pack of cloths, so you get 2 greens, 1 white and 1 blue. I'm just going to take some of the KOH Universal Cleaner. It didn't say anywhere that you can't use it on leather. I don't know if you're supposed to, but we're just going to try it. As you guys can see, there's like dirt all on the end of this lounge from where the dogs jump up. So I'm just going to squirt a little bit of the cleaner on the end of the lounge there. Oh my gosh, that's getting like all the dirt off it. Stop. Hey honey, come here and look at this mop.
What do you do? Just pull the trigger?
It's a trigger mop. So like all you have to do is pull the trigger under there and
push.
Yep.
How much? Like do you hold the trigger or just do one?
Just do one or two, couple.
Oh, it goes in front of it.
Yeah.
I see.
How good's that going to be for our floors?
Really good.
I can just see like the dirt lifting off the floor. I'm enjoying this mop so far. Hello, Miss Lillians. What are you doing? Cheeky? That doona, there's literally a brown patch. I can see it from you. Dirty puppies. Okay, so now I'm going to do the floors in here. I've got a back door that goes outside here that we let the dogs in and out of all the time, so there's always dirt. This is like my new most favourite thing in the entire world, this mop. took ages to start working mode. I mean, considering how filthy that was before, I reckon I did a pretty bloody good job. It didn't require much scrubbing at all. So I just read the instructions for the self-clean paralytic option on my oven, and it says you need to clean out the inside of it before you use it anyway. So, like you gotta clean the door and stuff yourself. Oh, I think we need to lift this door up so I can get all these crumbs that are in here. Help that in. Clean the front part. Pretty good. So I got a fair bit of the grease and stuff and whatever was on it. I'm gonna try the diamond sponge. That now. Holy shit, it's all coming off. Oh my gosh, it really does work. And you don't even have to scrub hard. Oh my god. Holy moly. Oh, wow. Wow. Honey, come look at this oven door.
Well, mate.
Is that not insane? I was like, this shit is not gonna come off.
Fucking bit of degreaser, mate.
It's not degreaser.
What is it?
It's coat.
What?
It's like environmentally friendly, non-chemical cleaning products.
Hmm.
I am officially shook to the core. Look how clean that glass is. Wow. I like really actually wasn't expecting that stuff to work that well. Okay guys, so the verdict is I love this stuff. I'm definitely going to keep on using it. I feel like it did an awesome job. I really love the mop, and I just cannot believe how well this stuff cleaned the oven door. Like, what the hell? Even Brett was surprised. And like, Brett's not much of Sadie the cleaning lady, so for him to even notice how good it was, I think that means it did a pretty good job. So I'll keep you guys posted. I'm definitely going to keep using it though, because like I said, it's so much better than using traditional chemicals that like make you nearly choke and pretty much burn my skin. And this mop is just the coolest mop ever. I feel like I could mop all day long and not get bored, because it's just so easy to use and fun, and makes me actually want to clean my house. Oh, I'm so tired now. So Brett's just downloading the latest episode of Game of Thrones. So we're gonna get some Maccas, enjoy the clean house and watch some Game of Thrones. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little vlog and seeing the KOH cleaning products in action. Definitely recommend them. Based off first impressions, I really like them. But yeah, I rate it. I can't smell any chemicals. The house smells clean. It looks spotless. The floors look so good. And yeah, I'm so shook about the oven too, like that oven door. Mind blown. So I hope you guys enjoyed the little clean with me, the vloggity vlog. If you did, please do give me a thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section, have you tried KOH cleaning products? I don't know if they're available everywhere. I know they're Australian. I think they might ship outside of Australia, not too sure, but they are an Australian based company. So yeah, all right guys, I'll be chatting to you in the comment section and in the next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.